Hello dear fans. Why is gas made liquid? In the modern world of economic relations, companies are often looking for an opportunity to minimize the costs of all processes associated with the production, storage, transportation of a product. Gas products are no exception. Is a mineral that is extracted using wells. A large number of such wells are located on the territory of a natural gas field to ensure a uniform drop in reservoir pressure in the reservoir. The final point of delivery of the produced gas is various factories, plants, enterprises, thermal power plants, gas services of the city. Thousands of scientists in various laboratories conduct a huge number of experiments every day. Technologists at plants and factories, following clear instructions, puzzle over their heads when looking for the most profitable ways to bring gas to the end consumer, a substance in a gaseous aggregate state that is catastrophically difficult to process and even more difficult to transport in original form. Today, they have learned to transport natural gas in a liquid form. Since the gas has neither color nor smell, in order to prevent its leakage, and as a result, poisoning people or fire a room, various chemicals are added to it, that is, chemicals that have an unpleasant odor for humans. Pure liquefied natural gas does not burn and cannot spontaneously ignite. But as a result of evaporation and upon contact with fire, this property is renewed. In order to start using it, the gas must be reheated. How gas is made liquid. To simplify movement, storage, use, the entire liquefaction process takes place in special regasification terminals. Liquefied natural gas is a completely colorless liquid, odorless. After the transition from a gaseous state to a liquid, its volume decreases 600 times. The process itself consists of sequential compression and cooling, which continues until liquefaction occurs. It should be noted that this process is very energy-consuming. To reduce the amount of energy expended, the potential energy of the gas and its natural cooling are used. Gas storage is carried out in specialized tanks called cryocisterns. And the transportation is carried out by sea vessels and special vehicles. The final route follows pipelines. Thanks for watching.